Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to clip gameplay or any screen content using OBS Studio in 2025. Whether you are recording highlights or saving epic moments, let's set it up step by step. So first of all, you just need to install this OBS platform in your Windows, and then you just need to launch the app. And to capture your screen, you just need to click the icon under source, then choose display capture. As you can see, we already choose the display capture. Then you just need to be depending what you want to clip, like name it and click OK. Now your screen or game is being monitored. Here you can see it. Then you just need to set up hotkeys or clipping. Now let's set up hotkeys and instantly save a clip. You just need to go to the setting, just click to the setting. Once you click over here setting, then you will find out the hotkeys options. So look for the save replay and assign a shortcut like Ctrl plus Shift plus S. So here you just need to be find it out, that one save reply, and then you just need to be provide it into here. Now you must enable replay first, then enable replay buffer. To do that, you just need to go to the setting, then output options in here, and then replay buffer. You will find out that one in here, replay buffer. Here you can see this is the replay buffer option. You just need to be enable this one, enable it, and set how many seconds you want it to record, like 13 or 16. You just need to be hit the apply and then start replay buffer by clicking it on the main screen, and then you just need to be save clips. Now while you are gaming or recording, just hit your hotkeys and OBS will save the last seconds as a clip. Clips are saved in your videos folder by default. And that's it. Now you are now ready to clip anything using OBS Studio in 2025. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.